And then to finish off, what
Yes.
advice would you give to people who want to get a PhD and who are also working professionals?
Well, that's always a great question. And anybody that saw my video speech, keynote speech at the presentation for the graduation period, the one thing I'll enforce people to think about is pick a subject that you are wholly enthusiastic and crazy about, that you don't mind spending a long time researching into it. That's from my research perspective. That way, because you're interested, you never get bored, because you're going into a detail and depth that is making you want to know more, find more, look at the problems, work the solutions out. So and you'll enjoy it. If you pick something you love, you'll never get bored. Even if you do a 5-year PhD, you will not have a bad moment. Just go for it. You'll have a great time. And I guarantee the time will go by so quickly, you'll wonder why you didn't do it years ago. So that's one main thing I'd say.
That's when you have one day without studying and you're missing your PhD work, right?
That's right. It becomes very sad, but you will get that stage when you do a subject that you really love doing, because you're gaining knowledge and you're personally improving yourself.
And so is there anything else that you think PhD candidates need to consider before they begin this adventure?
I think one thing to add to that is to say that when you're looking at what you're doing, think of where you want to be at the end of it. What do you want to do with your PhD? How is it going to be of use to you? The one thing I'd hate to see people do a PhD and it's just a certificate on the wall that you're getting no value from in your career or your progression in life. So make it something that's useful to you in the long run, because whatever happens in the future, as we said before, your PhD never goes away. You've always got it. So make use of it professionally and indeed personally. It's a huge challenge, but you won't regret it.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Cairns.
One more thing, by the way, as Dr. Mallon said earlier on, hearing the words, "Congratulations, doctor," after your Viva Voce is an amazing experience to share and to get. And that one thing is enough to make you feel happy and content you did that journey. Thank you very much for your time.